petrol lawnmower doesn't want to start after refilling of the petrol, make sure to press this kind of I don't know, pump 3 times or 5. Here is 3 I needed my Brixton station. So when press, I've tried differently, closing this hole that makes air to come out, or and after that it won't start. I've tried to press 3 times on the, not in the middle but in the corner of this, so the air came out, so 3 times and it started.